So the question is, how do you run your business when you're still starting out? Hi, my name is Simon Tess. I'm a social media and online business coach. And in today's podcast and video episode, I want to share 3 things that I learned today while I'm running. So earlier this morning, I went for a quick 20-minute run and I was being coached by my Nike app. So while the voice was coaching me, while the coach was helping me how to run effectively and efficiently for the first time, I realized that running, the actual act of running, is the same thing as running a business when you're also starting out. So the first thing that I want to share with you today is you can run slow. I started running today slow, and in business, it's also like that. Sometimes we feel like when we start a business, we have to do like great right away. Now, what I want you to realize is it's okay to start slow. It's okay to start small, okay? Especially when you're having just an idea and starting it out, and you have a limited resources, equipment, supplies, or sometimes you don't really need equipment or anything else just to run a business. You just need your skills and your experience in life. So that's the first thing that I want to share, is you can start slow. It's not a sin for you to not do great. It's your first time. You have to think that it's okay to fail. That's the second thing that I want to share with you today. Run your business slowly, but of course you have to make sure that it's profitable, but don't set your expectations too high like you've been running this business for 10 years, right? At the very least, you have to just break even, and that's okay, because everything that you feel is your failure in your business is basically your experiences, and these experiences will teach you how to run your business better and more effectively and more efficiently. So I don't know what your business model is, but in business, there's only 2 things that you will actually experience: to succeed and to fail. And what I learned also in my course of doing my own business, because I love the idea of running a business and having my own business, and I've been doing that since I was a little kid. I have my little side hustle, and we have to either succeed or to fail, and you will learn from all your failures. That's an assurance. And all these things that you feel is your failure, I think it was Seth Godin who said that you have to fail fast. But he also explained in a separate interview what failing fast means, because it doesn't mean that you have to fail really hard fast and do it all the time. No, that's not how you do it in business. You fail small, because you have to test your ideas, test your new strategies to know which one is really not a fit for your business. Okay, so the first thing is it's okay to be slow, and the second thing is it's okay to actually fail fast, because that failing fast will lead you faster to success, right? And the last thing that I want to share with you today is the fact that when you're starting out in your business, when you're as you're opening your store every day, as you're preparing all your orders every day, you also have to think that you have to enjoy the process. Like when I was running earlier, the coach, the voice inside my Nike app said, you just have to enjoy the process. It's really not about the numbers, which is what we usually look at, especially when you're a marketing savvy like myself. We always look at the numbers, we look at sales, the ROI, or if you're doing your business straight from social media, you're sometimes looking at the likes, right? The followers and all those vanity metrics, that's what I call them. And you just have to enjoy the process of actually doing your business, learning how to run it effectively, and learning how to grow it. So those are the 3 things that I want to impart with you today, and I hope that it served you really well. It's okay, especially if you're in this point where you just feel like you're lost, you're struggling, you don't know what to do. I've been there. That was my year when COVID-19 happened, but because I learned how to fail fast, I tried my ideas. I tried, what will this work? And I tried it and it didn't work, and I tried another one. I tried another strategy. I listened to another coach, hired another one, and I failed fast. And now I can say that I already succeeded in jump starting my business, and that's another story, but it's also in my videos if you're watching this on YouTube. And also I think I uploaded it in the podcast. So you just go ahead and go to the, I think that's the first one that I uploaded, or the second episode. And now I have a better strategy on how I am showing up in my business and serving entrepreneurs like you. And I hope that this morning run that I did, and the 3 things that I learned from running, which is actually also the same thing as running your business, will help you out today. If you need more help, just reach out to me. The comment section is always open, or if you're listening to the podcast, you can shoot me a DM on Instagram. I am at Saimontes _ SAIMONTES_. That's my handle, and that's the easiest way for you to get in touch with me. And if you have questions, let me know. If you have frustrations, let me know. The comment section is open. Let's talk about it, and hopefully I can help you out in some of your strategies online, especially when using social media in your business. So that's it for today's episode. I'm going home, and just if you're watching this video, look at the view. This is where I ran today, and I'll see you on the next podcast episode in the next video. Bye.